Are you grappling with acne? Do you wish for a quick and easy way to deal with it, right in the comfort of your own home? Well, don't worry, we have got you covered. Let's dive right into the first remedy, a classic favorite, honey and cinnamon mask. Start by mixing 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to form a paste. Apply this sweet concoction to your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Honey's antibacterial properties combined with cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effects make this a powerhouse for battling acne. Moving on to the second remedy, a soothing aloe vera treatment. Begin by extracting fresh aloe gel from the leaf of an aloe vera plant. Apply this gel directly onto your acne and let it dry naturally. Aloe vera, known for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties, can reduce redness and swelling while also preventing new breakouts. Our third remedy involves the use of apple cider vinegar, a potent agent against acne. Dilute 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 3 parts of water. Apply this solution to your acne using a cotton ball, let it sit for about 10 minutes, then rinse it off. The acidic property of apple cider vinegar helps to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Next, we have a simple yet effective remedy. Green tea. Steep a green tea bag in boiling water for a few minutes, then let it cool. Once cooled, apply the tea bag directly to your acne. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and fight bacteria. Finally, our fifth remedy, a turmeric and yogurt mask. Mix equal parts of turmeric powder and yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply this mixture to your acne and leave it on for about 20 minutes before washing it off. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help reduce acne, while yogurt's lactic acid can exfoliate and soothe your skin. To recap, we've discussed 5 home remedies for acne: a honey and cinnamon mask, a soothing aloe vera treatment, an apple cider vinegar solution, a green tea application, and a turmeric and yogurt mask. Each of these remedies takes advantage of natural ingredients with powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They are simple, quick, and can be easily prepared at home. So the next time acne strikes, you know what to do. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to test these remedies on a small patch of skin first, to see how your body reacts. After all, the goal is to soothe and heal, not to irritate further. Stay consistent with your chosen remedy and be patient. Acne doesn't disappear overnight, but with consistent care, you'll see improvement. Keep your skin clean, eat healthily, and stay hydrated. Your skin will thank you for it.